you learn so much from people who have nothing compared to us, but yet their hearts are so full and they're so generous, and it just makes you come back. And you sit here and like, for example, we're in Sydney, Australia, and we're so privileged. Like, subhanallah, if you compared like our lives to, and I don't know who it was that told me this, but compare your life to, like, say, Fir'aun, for example. You think he had the luxuries that we have?
Yeah, the sports car that we have.
He had nothing compared to us. And we're so like up to our like foreheads in our blessings and in our
And we're still
in our
chasing
luxuries, and we're never satisfied.
Yeah.
But over there, like, for example, the day before I was leaving, this girl made 2 bracelets. That's all she has. Like, that's what she made in her craft time or wherever. And she was like, "Here, I want you to take both." And I'm like, "I'm not going to take both." So I gave her one, and I have one with me as well. And it's like, subhanAllah, that's the most glamorous thing that she owned, and she's ready to give it just for the sake of, like, friendship and love. And it's like, subhanAllah, I come back and I just look at myself and I'm like, you need to do more. You need to be better. And it's just like, yeah.
Yeah, subhanAllah. I think you're talking about all the great stuff and the privileges and the blessings that we have here. What was the hardest thing you saw there? What was the toughest experience you had in Togo?
I think one of the most eye-opening things is, like, at one of the orphan centers and widow centers, that they opened it up for the general community in that village to come for the rice distribution. So they had over 2,500 rice packs. And subhanAllah, even that wasn't enough for them. And it's just rice. Like, when was the last time you ever thought, am I going to run out of rice? Will I ever eat rice again? You don't. We don't. And subhanAllah, all of the rice bags were gone. And these kids were, with their thongs, they were trying to picking up some of the rice that spilled out of the bag in the dirt. They were trying to pick it out of there and put it and carry it. Like, this kid was walking away with like less than half a palm full of rice, and he was cheering. He was like, yeah, mission accomplished.
That's all we throw out in our plates. When's the last time we had rice as a dish? Just by itself. Just by itself.